This video is just to create awareness about a problem that's more user-based, and maybe it's a little bit of DJI's problem, so stay tuned. Okay, we're gonna watch this video of this guy going running in the rain, and then the drone flies off and then crashes in front of him. So as we look at this, we're trying to determine why this happened. So some people might say that it locked onto something else. Okay, this is what people mean by they think it locked on something else. To his left of him, there's a kind of same color that's to his t-shirt, and maybe he thinks that's him now, and that the track can jump, but I don't think this is the case, because as you notice slow motion, it starts tilting right. It's still trying to track him until it can no longer track him and just flies off by itself. So normally this guy's running a automated quick shot without the phone, and he launched it by itself. So what happens at the beginning is that the phone will actually try to do a GPS just to check if it's in restricted area, and it's only for that purpose. And then when it runs a quick shot, it's actually using the VPS, it's using visually tracking it, and then it's using VPS for position, not GPS. So what you end up having is that it's reading the floor, and because this floor is wet because it's raining and it's basically reflecting the image, it can't know where it is. Normally what happens when it loses tracking, the drone, this Neo, should hover, and then actually I think when I seen another video, it will hover and start rotating around, and it will actually look for you. In this case, it can't find the guy and just goes off. So it should just stop normally, but in this case the ground is wet. So this is the problem with the DJI thing, because basically what you have is they say don't fly over water, but they're not very exact, or they're not very clear in what they mean. So what I mean by that is that the DJI should say don't fly over water and don't fly over wet surfaces, especially if it's reflective, or don't fly over reflective surfaces. That's why I say it's partly DJI's fault, but it's mainly the pilot's fault. And I think this is the second time I've seen this posted on a Facebook group, in which a guy was previously he was walking and which had puddles, and then the drone just drifted to the left and crashed into the bushes. So this is the problem with it. It just can't track itself on the ground. So you have to avoid wet ground. Don't fly this drone in the rain. Okay, case 2. This guy who has his Neo acting bonkers, bye-bye, flying away, what is it doing? And you would think that, oh god, this is a drone error. What the heck is it doing? Slow motion. Okay, what is the problem? Why did it act like this? What do you guys think? You know, normally you would think it's hardware issue, but maybe it's a pilot issue. So we're gonna go over it. If you have a key 9, you'll notice what the problem is. And it's the same problem. Flying over water means flying over any water source, including wet surfaces, because it's all about the reflective surface. As you notice his other video that he posts, he's walking, there's lots of puddles actually along the way as he's walking. In this specific video, he's actually avoiding the puddles. The Neo just happens to avoid all these puddles, so it actually is able to hold by the VPS. And it's only by VPS that this drone is being stable and knowing its location. Okay, so yeah, it worked there. So what you got to realize is that you just can't fly this drone. And when they mean water, DJI has to be more clear about this. When they mean water, any water, body of water, streams, lakes, ocean, and in addition to that, wet surfaces with puddles and without puddles, and any kind of surface that has reflective properties, you should avoid. Okay, so this is it's partly DJI's fault. They should communicate better to the pilot about this warning, and this is partly pilot error, because they're kind of ignoring the not going over the water, or not understand what DJI means by that. Okay, I hope this helps people, and you should just share it to whatever Neo friends you have, so they can understand what the problem is and how to avoid this, so they don't have their drone flying away. Okay, that's it. Thanks. Subscribe, like, etc. Yeah.